sir, good afternoon. My name is Rachel. This is my video reading activity 2 on NSTV. So, sorry sir, may kasi sa akin na may birthday. So, research the advantage and disadvantage of gymnastic exercises. So, advantage. It is highly beneficial for health, helps to develop self-confidence, correct bad posture. Gymnastic practice helps to develop emotional stability. So, disadvantage, you can easily get injured. It is highly demanding sport which you have to dedicate from the 3 to 5 hours a day to have a good level. Number 3, injuries, sprain and fracture. So write your insight about basic position in gymnastics. One of the most important fundamental statistics in gymnastics is the stock posture. The gymnastic pull their knees to their chest, warm their arm over their chin and collapse their body into a tight ball in this pose. How you recognize the rule of physical activity to manage your stress, depression, and anxiety. Regular exercise can increase self-confidence to improve your mood, help you relax, and lower your symptoms of mild depression and anxiety. Exercise can also improve your sleep, which is often described by stress, depression, and anxiety. So, explain how to optimize the energy system for self and improve performance. So, to optimize the energy system for improvement in performance, you must first use all 3 energy system available in your body. First is your less stress workout, the aerobic energy system. Next are the glyco energy system, and lastly the ATP energy system to heavy lifting, the strenuous activities. Thank you po.